Hello, welcome to my channel Tech Mix. In this video, I'll show you how Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this feature unavailable error. Then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So this error has a very easy solution. The solution is, you're just going to have to log out of your Xbox app. So, you're going to open up your Start menu, write your Xbox and open up the Xbox app. And here, now what you want to do is you're going to click onto your username here, and then just click Sign Out here, and then sign out from the Xbox app. After that, close the app up, and now you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. And this time, you're going to click onto your username, go into Support, and then click onto Gaming Services Repair tool here. Click Start Repairing, click Yes on it, and now it will diagnose your issue, and then it will fix your issue on its own. So once it's done, now you can go ahead and play Forza Horizon 6, and you'll not get that feature unavailable error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.